Welcome everyone, here's how you take the SIM card out of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the first step is you will need access to a SIM ejector tool. This should come in the box of Z Flip 4. So when you open up the front part right here, there will be this little Samsung logo. This is actually a cardboard box, and this box does have the SIM ejector tool. If you need it, just pull up like so. If you don't have the original box for whatever reason, that's okay. You can use a pin. You can use a SIM ejector tool from another device, or you can get a paper clip and bend it out so you have this thin side like so. Then you're going to find the left hand side of your Z Flip 4, and you're going to insert the thin end of the SIM ejector tool into the hole, and you're just going to push down, and once you feel this little click and you see the SIM card tray is partially ejected, you can just pull out with your fingernails, and here we go. So we have the SIM card, and be careful because the SIM card easily drops out. You just tilt the SIM card tray and then just tap it on the table lightly, and you can see the SIM card has been successfully ejected from my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the final step is we just make sure the holes are on the phone itself and the SIM card tray. You see that hole which I'm tapping? Just make sure it's matching the hole in the Z Flip 4. Push the SIM card tray back in, and just like that you're good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.